All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders and its constituent organizations have greeted the people as well as the government of Pakistan on the eve of Pakistan Day to be celebrated tomorrow. APHC leaders and organizations including Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sopori, Ghulam Nabi War, Devinder Singh Behl, Muhammad Yusuf Nakash, Imtiaz Reshi, Salim Zargar, Javaid Ahmad Mir, Yasmin Raja, Muhammad Aqib, Nur Muhammad Fayaz, Grand Mufti Nasir-ul-Islam, Human Rights Defender Muhammad Ahsan Unto, and students and youth forums, in their statements issued in Srinagar and Jammu, highlighted the significance of Pakistan resolution passed on 23rd March 1940. Pakistani flags have been hoisted for the fifth consecutive day in Srinagar, Islamabad and other parts of the territory, greeting Pakistani people and government on the Pakistan Day today. Pakistani flags and posters have been displayed to celebrate 23rd March, the Pakistan Day in the occupied territory. The posters are carrying Pakistan flag and pictures of Army Chief General Syed Asim Munir. A major earthquake jolted occupied Kashmir on Tuesday night. The earthquake was felt in the occupied territory at 10:17 p.m. local time. However, there were no immediate reports of any loss to life or damage to property due to the earthquake. Kashmiri journalist Irfan Mirar's arrest by India's dreaded National Investigation Agency in a false case has evoked strong criticism from the journalists, politicians and media watchdogs as well as human rights organizations. A senior journalist based in Srinagar in an interview to foreign media channel said that these arrests are being made to perpetuate fear. Advisor to Prime Minister of Pakistan for Kashmir Affairs and GB Qamar Zaman Kaira has said that Pakistan was incomplete without the freedom of its jugular vein Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, he said, the everlasting deep-rooted geographical and blood relations of Pakistan with Kashmir can never separate both from each other. He said Pakistan has always advocated an early and peaceful settlement of the Kashmir dispute.